Okay, so I just got this this package, for a keyboard that I ordered. It's 50% off, $45. Let's see what's inside. The manual has our cable, the hot swapping. I went with the Wisteria stitches, and first impressions, this is a really, really nice keyboard. It feels really good. There's a little panel here, a little sticker on top. This thing, it snaps when you rotate it, which is nice. That definitely feels good. Take a look at these keycaps. The color definitely looks very nice. Okay, I figured it out. Turns out I was being really stupid. What you do is you take the key, go in here, you rotate it, then you just pull. It should shimmy itself out. What the heck? Jesus Christ. What? Okay, 120 with 98% accuracy. That's not terrible. But yeah, this is my first impression. They do come with like extra switches, which is really nice.